Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How's everyone doing today? It is Wealth Wednesday. I'm super excited about Wealth Wednesday because I love talking about the money and how we can actually start doing things to position ourselves in a better financial space, especially for my single moms, because if you're working on a one income household or you are the only person that is bringing income into your household, we definitely need to learn strategies that the wealthy are using to bring more of their money back. So we are actually going to talk about stop leaving money on the table, guys. And so often, good morning, Shirley. So often we think that there is no other solution to get more money into our household other than what we have been doing, but that is not the case. So I'm actually going to be very quick today because I'm going to go over a quick breakdown of how we can actually use money that's already in our paycheck to start generating some wealth and position ourselves for a better financial future. So I'm going to share my screen real quick, and we are going to go over this awesome worksheet that I have up. So let's see here. Okay, so we are sharing, and this is stop leaving money on the table, guys. So we have two people. We have Mr. Robert Refund and we have Miss Angela Adjustment. How cool is that? That the woman is the person that does the awesome strategy. But no shade, guys, no shade. But anyway, we have Mr. Robert Refund who does not adjust his W-4, and he chooses to buy things with his refund. He actually saves up his refund. So we're not even going to say that he buys things, but he saves his refund. And for those of you who do not know what a W-4 is, it is that form that you fill out your first couple of days when you start working, and you tell your job or the government how many taxes or how much taxes they should be taking out of your paycheck. That is the W-4 form. So Mr. Robert Refund, he chooses to overpay taxes all throughout the year. So as you see here, he pays $500 a month out of his paycheck. So that's what, $250 each paycheck if you're paid bi-weekly, or that is about $125 if you're paid weekly. Either way, that's $500 a month being overpaid in taxes. So he ends up getting a $6,000 he ends up paying $6,000 a year for taxes, which, if it all worked out this way, he gets a tax refund of $6,000. So let's say he did that strategy for 10 years. He overpaid his taxes, he didn't adjust his W-4, and he saved his tax refund each year for 10 years. He's going to have $60,000, right? Simple math, 6,000 times 10. But let's say we are Miss Angela Adjustment, who changes her W-4, which is a wealth strategy that people are using so that they're not overpaying in taxes and actually getting their money up front, because that's what business owners do, guys. And Miss Angela Adjustment starts earning compound interest on her $500 a month throughout the year. So let's say she got the same $500 a month as Mr. Robert Refund, and she did this for 10 years, and she did it with 8% compound interest. Look at the difference between Mr. Robert Refund and Miss Angela Adjustment. There is a $31,000 difference. And they have the same $500. They started at the same place, but one person decided to overpay taxes, save their refund, and not get any interest on it, while another person use the wealth strategy of taking that same $500 over the same amount of time with compound interest and getting $31,000 more. We're going to use the same exact people, but instead we're going to see what it looks like in 15 years. Robert Refund will then have $90,000. Guys, again, it's simple math. He's not doing anything special with his money except for saving it all. He's not putting it in any type of account that's going to have it grow. Where Miss Angela Adjustment continues to use her strategy with her 8% compound interest, and now she has $170,000 $83,000, guys. That is $83,000 more than Mr. Robert refund, all because of compound interest. And again, we're going to go and do it out to 30 years because most of us may not be in a position where we think we can retire, or this is our retirement plan. So we're still working and we have 30 years. Well, Robert, he's doing the same thing. He's not changing his strategy. He's continuing with the same philosophy that he has been doing, and he has $180,000 after 30 years. Where look at this, this is exciting. Miss Angela adjustment, she continues with her 8%, and she's at 745,000. Guys, that's like almost a $500,000 difference between the two. And they had the same money to start with, except for one person used a different strategy than the other. So, guys, simply put, it is time to leave the simple world and join the compound world. Us middle class people, we're getting taxed like crazy, and the wealthy are deferring taxes. So instead of having a refund pay us back at the end of the year after we overpay taxes throughout the year, we deserve to get our money up front, don't we? Yes, I think that we do. So if because I know that I think you guys can see me because I think I'm done sharing, but I can't really tell because of the StreamYard. But anyway, good morning, Derek. Good morning, Jason. But this is one strategy that we can do to actually increase our cash flow and start having some more money so that we can start building wealth for the future. So often we talk about these strategies with people because we understand that we are not educated on this stuff in schools, and there's a lot of apprehension because it is a new strategy and people have been constantly getting a refund, which, guys, that is your money that you have overpaid throughout the year that the government is refunding back to you the following year after they decide or they determine how many taxes should be taken out. So that was a quick wealth worksheet for Wealth Wednesday. And I want everyone to join us tonight at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, where we do a full breakdown of how you can get a complete financial makeover. And one of those strategies in that financial makeover is what I just shared with you. And if for whatever reason you cannot make it tonight at 8:30, I need you to message me because I have tools and sources and things that you can watch that does not have to be live, so that we can get you the information and actually get you positioned to be Miss Angela adjustment, where you are no longer overpaying taxes on your in your W-4, in your paycheck, and you are actually using that tax money to start generating wealth and getting anywhere from 8% up to 14% compound interest. So guys, please have an awesome day. Stay safe. We are back tomorrow for Thankful Thursday. Think about something that you are thankful for. Especially my single moms. I am thankful to be alive, well, and have an awesome son. So let's think about what we're thankful for and share tomorrow. But I hope that you found value in that wealth worksheet. And if you did find value, put #value in the comments, so I know that I am actually giving you stuff that you can actually start implementing in your life and benefit from. So guys, have an awesome day. Stay safe, and we'll be back tomorrow. Later.